Okay, what I'm going to show you today is my solution for gaining more solar power for my batteries in the middle of winter. What we're looking at here is an Arlec 200 watt solar blanket on a stand that I've made up to angle it towards the sun. I'm hoping that this will help boost my solar energy for charging the batteries on my RV in the winter time. When the sun is really low, you really need your panels tilted to get the maximum out of the sun. The good thing about this system, this time of year in the winter time in central Otago, we're on the 45th parallel, so the sun is very low in the sky, even at midday. So unless you can tilt your solar panels in some way, they're not really going to be effective this time of year. I thought this was a better option to supplement my solar with a solar blanket rather than adding more solar panels which would have sat flat on the roof of the motorhome. The difference in power being generated by the solar panel in blanket form as compared to what's lying flat on the roof of my motorhome is 100 watts from the blanket and 10 watts from the roof. That's this time of day in the middle of winter when the sun is really low. Okay, this is the solar controller which comes with the blanket and also comes with an 8-meter lead and all the Anderson plug connections that you need, and 2 alligator clips, one to connect to the positive of your batteries and one to your neutral. In my case, I've connected it to the load side of my Victron energy shunt so that I can monitor how much solar is going in. Okay, I've just connected the Arlec solar blanket and you'll see there's 77, 85 watts, 90 watts and upwards pumping it in at the moment, about 7 amps worth. I'll show you in a bit more detail how I made up the stand for this. It's just made out of 25mm Marley electrical conduit with a couple of pieces of pipe from a wardrobe rack which I repurposed and inserted a couple of large galvanised nails in the end so that they can sort of act as a tent peg and hold things securely. This all collapses down and fits into a nice neat bag.